Hi class, welcome to week 6. For week 6, we're going to be focused on the role of aggregate demand and aggregate supply. Aggregate demand is going to be focused on total demand based on GDP. So when we look at this, aggregate demand is going to be focused on consumers, businesses, government, net export. You're going to look at your ability to make decisions on how economic challenges will impact our economy. So for this week, we're going to be looking at how consumers and how the government interact to create an economic environment. You notice this week, you're going to be reading chapters 13 through 14. You will have a discussion board. You will have a quiz for this week. Let's go to the discussion board tab to see what the question would be. For the discussion board tab, we're going to look at the Great Recession of 07 to 09. You're going to see it was an extreme downturn in our economy, and we did a stimulus package to help provide stability. So you're going to look at each component of GDP, CIG net exports, and how the stimulus package impacted our ability to make those decisions to create more wealth in our economy. You're going to look at that, and you're going to look at sets of policies and how those sets of policies can help our economy be able to grow. Those are going to be very important to look at. You're going to be looking at the reasoning of why you did that. You're going to also be looking at your ability to make decisions and what they looked at as well. So those are going to be some key things that you're going to evaluate in your discussion board topic. It's going to be critical in your discussion board to make sure that you support your work with proper APA formatting and content development, as this will be what we're looking at for your ability to do well. If you need additional resources on this or need additional guidance, please let me know, as I'll be more than willing to assist with that to ensure that you can do well. But those key things are what we're looking at for the discussion board topic to be able to interact with your peers. If you have additional questions or need additional resources, please let me know, as I look forward to your effort.